driving school, and we're going to be checking out the fifth wheel coupler fasteners. Make sure none are missing. So we're going to start from this side. The fifth wheel has no cracks or damage. It is tight and secure. Under the fifth wheel, the fasteners, there's no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. There are no loose or missing fasteners underneath the fifth wheel on this side. Now we're going to check the mount rail fasteners here, top, side, and bottom. Tight and secure, 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 tight and secure. There are no loose or missing fasteners up to this point. We're going to carry on with the mount rail fasteners. Tight and secure, 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 tight and secure. All fasteners are tight and secure. There are no loose or missing mount rail fasteners. We're going to start with the fifth wheel at the top. There are no cracks or damages. The fifth wheel, tight and secure. The pivot pin, there are no cracks or damage. The pivot pin, tight and secure. The fifth wheel handle, no cracks or damage, tight and secure. The fifth wheel handle is in the closed position. The mount rail itself, no cracks or damage, tight and secure. The slider pins, no cracks or damage, tight and secure. And we're going to go under the back of the vehicle. The fifth wheel has no cracks or damage. It is tight and secure. The fifth wheel jaws are in the locked position. Okay, the fifth wheel from this side, there are no cracks or damage. It is tight and secure. Underneath the fifth wheel, there are the fasteners. There are no cracks or damaged fasteners. They're all tight and secure. There's no loose or missing fasteners underneath the fifth wheel at this point. The mount rail fasteners here, top, side, and bottom, tight and secure, 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 tight and secure. Carry on with mount rail fasteners this side. Tight and secure, 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 tight and secure. Bottom ones, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure. Fifth wheel from this side, there are no cracks or damage to the fifth wheel. It's tight and secure. The pivot pin, there are no cracks or damage to the pivot pin. Tight and secure. The mount rail, no cracks or damage. Tight and secure. All of the mount rail fasteners on this side, no cracks or damage. Tight and secure. There are no loose or missing fasteners. Overall, there are no loose or missing fasteners on the coupler. The coupler or mounting has a loose or missing fastener. A minor defect would be when any coupler or the mounting structure that supports a coupler has a fastener that is loose or missing. In case of a minor defect, you would note it in your logbook, you would contact your operator, and you can continue on driving the vehicle for the day. There is no major defect listed for this item.